Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Badoo account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Badoo app and go to your profile by tapping on the user icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings cog from the top left corner of your profile. Tap Account. Tap Delete Account at the bottom of the page. Select Delete Your Account and tap Continue. Select No, Delete My Account from the bottom of the page. Choose your reason for leaving and tap Delete Account. Your Badoo account has now been deleted. You will be logged out immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.